Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an odometer cable. First, gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench, a 22mm wrench, screwdrivers, and jack stands. It is crucial to have the exact replacement cable for your specific vehicle model. Remember, safety is paramount. Always use jack stands to securely support your vehicle before working underneath it. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. To begin, you will need to access the instrument cluster by removing dashboard panels. Carefully disconnect the old cable from the back of the speedometer. Next, raise your vehicle safely on jack stands. Locate the cable's connection at the transmission, usually found at the rear, and unscrew it, possibly with a 22mm wrench. Finally, release any retaining clips and the rubber grommet where the cable passes through the firewall, then gently pull the old cable out. Now, carefully route the new odometer cable through the firewall and along the same path as the old one, avoiding kinks or sharp bends. Apply a thin, even layer of cable lubricant to the inner cable to ensure smooth, friction-free operation. Securely connect one end of the new cable to the transmission, making sure the square drive fully engages. Then, connect the other end to the back of the speedometer unit in your dashboard. After installation, visually inspect the entire length of the new cable to confirm there are no kinks or overly tight bends. Reassemble all dashboard panels and any other components you removed. Once everything is back in place, take your vehicle for a short road test. Observe the speedometer and odometer to ensure they are functioning correctly and providing accurate readings. For best results, compare your speedometer reading with a GPS device or a known speed reference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.